Welcome to yet another exciting episode of the show, The Farmer's Diary. These days we are focusing more on agriculture technologies in the sector. So today we're right here at Gwebi Agriculture College, where we have been invited by Farmbuzz Agro Solutions, a company that's specializing on smart agriculture and precision farming, a company that's helping make agriculture easy in Zimbabwe. Today they're going to be spraying against the fall armyworm, and we have a hectare of 50 hectares, and they're going to be using drones to spray that field. My name is Tanyana Zomtiza, and I'm your host for the show, The Farmer's Diary.
So my name is Emmanuel Marume, co-founder of Farmbuzz Agriculture Solutions. So our company basically is promoting the concept of smart farming by bringing out some new technologies into farming. So we started our company in 2019, and we introduced drones in 2020. So we introduced drones in a bid to attract the young people into farming, and also to do away with that stereotype that says farming is labor intensive and farming is boring. We wanted to make farming interesting, to make farming a bit sexy. So yes, so I studied agronomy at MSU. That's where I studied my agronomy together with my other founder, Anis Mapisa. We both studied agronomy. And so it comes with both. We did agronomy, and also it was passion. Growing up, we used to go to the field with our parents, practice some subsistence farming. So that way it was actually hard. That's why we actually came up with my partner, and we said, no, let's introduce some new things, which is smart farming and precision farming. So yeah, so we introduced some various services to the farmers, starting off with crop drone spraying, smart farm management, remote crop analysis using the drone technology. So like right here, we're actually spraying 50 hectares of maize. We are killing the fall armyworm. This maize has been attacked by fall armyworm, so we are using the drone technology to kill the worm.
So that's a very interesting initiative that you started, Emmanuel, and we are very happy that we have young people in the agriculture sector that are trying to make farming easy, not just for the old, but even for us young people, because the reason why we were not really interested in farming, because we thought it's tedious and it's exhausting. We cannot be on our back the whole day trying to apply chemicals, trying to apply fertilizer. But now with this drone technology that you guys have introduced to us, we are now taking farming as a business, and it's now we save time. So I can go to my farm, spray 30-40 minutes, go back to Harare, finish whatever I was doing, or even get into a meeting, but I would have covered the stuff that I was doing at the farm. Yeah. So what other activities are you doing as Farmbuzz to help the agriculture sector in Zimbabwe be modern and be tech-wise?
All right, thanks, Tanya. Okay, so we are now doing remote crop analysis. We also do crop analysis using the drone. We do it using the drone and using the satellite. Like gone are the days when we would send someone to go and scout like physically. Nowadays you can just scout using a drone whilst you are at your farmhouse. So we can just lift a drone and go and scout to map the whole field and scout the whole area. So after you scout, it will actually tell you the percentage of infestation, be it maybe fall armyworm, maybe there are also weeds. So also do it using the satellite technology, mapping the whole field using the satellite technologies. This one we can do it remotely whilst I'm in Harare, and I'll be monitoring your farm, giving you the maps, different maps. We'll provide you with some different maps, like health map of your field, inspection map of your field, and moisture map of your field. So all of this is actually helping you to make data-driven farm management decisions. So like what you're actually promoting is gone are the days when you could make farm management decisions based on experience. Nowadays we are saying let's do all the farm management decisions based on data.
Very, very interesting monitoring and evaluation skills right there. Now we're taking things that we practice in the office every day, and we're actually practicing it even in the field. Yes. That actually makes sense when we speak of agriculture being a business and modernizing agriculture and formalizing agriculture. That's very, very great strides that Farmbuzz are doing right there. And it's interesting how these innovations and these technologies are coming from very young people who still have a lot to offer to the agriculture sector, who still have the zeal, the energy, and the input that are going, which means that this is not going to stop anytime soon, because we still have a lot more technological advancements that we're going to see. They're still in their prime age. So this is the beginning. This is the time to engage them and to start working with them, so that when they modify these technologies, you'll be at an advantage because you'd have already engaged them and your working relationship would have already started. So this is the time for you guys to take heed and work with Farmbuzz.
Well, so today we are in Gwebi Agriculture, it's a college, agriculture college, where we are spraying 50 hectares of maize. This maize has been affected by 4 armyworm. So we're actually using our drone technology. So the drone has some various advantages compared to some traditional spraying systems. For example, it's faster. We spray 1 hectare within 4 minutes. Because the drone that we're using right now is the T50, the latest drone. So we spray 1 hectare within 4 minutes, and it's efficient. It's very much efficient compared to traditional systems. All right, so yeah, a whole lot of benefits that comes up with the drone technology. So yeah, it also saves water, because compared to boom sprays, when you're spraying using boom sprays, you'll be diluting chemicals in about 200 liters of water. But with the drone technology, per hectare, you might just dilute about 25 liters of water. So that's a huge save on water. Yeah, so that's a really big thing there. We also do spray all kinds of crops, be it orchards and all crops, be it maize, be it tobacco, be it soybeans. We spray all kinds of crops. So that's one of the advantages, again, of the drone. Because why, with the boom spray, you can see like this maize is about 1.5 meters high. You can't come in with the boom spray to spray this maize. But with the drone technology, now you're not compacting the soil. You're actually coming up with the drone to spray whilst it's suspended above the crop. So that's one of the advantages of using the drone. And also the propellers of the drone, that wind that comes from the propellers of the drone actually makes the chemical to penetrate through the crops, which makes it more efficient compared to other spraying methods. So yeah, that's precision farming for you. It's actually precise, and you save chemical about 20%. So yeah, that's it. Besides crop spraying, we also do project management and farm management. We have a team of agronomists that's helping some various people to do production. So we do farm management to diaspora farmers, young farmers. Through our agronomists, we have a team of young agronomists who are well experienced. So yeah, that's one of our services. And we also do livestock consultancy. We do artificial insemination on livestock and a whole lot of things. All right, so in case you want to get in touch with us, our website is farmbuzzagritech.com, or you can just follow us on our social media platforms. On Twitter, it's Farmbuzz. Then on Facebook, it's Farmbuzz Agriculture Solutions. Yeah, I think you can just get hold of us through our social media platforms.
That was yet another exciting episode of the show, The Farmer's Diary. We learned a lot, I won't lie. Technology is real, and it's good that we as Zimbabwean farmers are starting to adopt these agriculture technologies. That is where the world is going, and if we don't embrace them now, it will be very easy for us to adjust in the future. So it'll be wise for us to take up these technologies right now and start modernizing our ventures day by day. My name is Tanyana Zomtizo, and from the crew behind the scenes, it's bye for now. Thank you so much for watching this episode.